So this kind of a question is falling under percentage by mass of an element in a compound. The question is saying calculate the percentage by mass of each element present in sodium carbonate. This is sodium carbonate that we are given. The first thing you need to know is the formula. Which formula are we going to use for us to answer this question? So the formula we are going to use, we know that this is percentage by what? Percentage by mass. So percentage by mass is given by the formula where we say the number of atoms, number of what? Number of atoms, you get to multiply it by the relative atomic mass of an element. So relative atomic mass of an element over, so that is element, over what? Over the relative molecular mass or the relative molecular number of a compound, the whole compound. I guess you know these things. Since this, we are saying that percentage by mass, so we get to multiply everything by what? 100%. So we are going to multiply everything by 100%. Number of atoms times the relative atomic number. This is the relative molecular number of a compound. So the most important thing is calculating the relative molecular number. So this is what? This is a sodium carbonate. So I will say relative molecular number of sodium carbonate. Sodium like this and a carbonate is like this. So how do we find we do this? This is 3 times. What is the mass number? 16. We go to carbon. How many atoms are there? 1. Times the mass number 12. So this is 48. This one that is here, this is 12. This is sodium, that is 1 times mass number 23. So there we put 23. When you add everything there, what answer are we getting? What is our answer? What answer are we getting when we add everything there? So what is the answer? Here there is 2. So there's just a simple miss 2 there. So even here we are supposed to put a 2 because there are 2 atoms. So meaning things have changed here. This is 46. So I'll say 40 what? 46. So when we add, this is 6, remainder 1. So this is 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 106. So we are getting what? 106. This is relative what? This is relative molecular mass. So we've calculated for that one. That is the most important thing. The other thing here that we are supposed to consider now, how many elements? You know that an element, this is a material that is made up of one type of a substance that cannot be split out either by chemical means or physical means. How many elements are there? So we say the first one that we are going to start with, we are saying percentage by mass. Percentage by what? Percentage by mass of what? Of sodium. So percentage by mass of sodium, we are going to start with sodium. How many atoms of sodium are there? 2. So I put a 2, multiply it with what? What is the relative atomic mass of sodium? So relative atomic mass of element, so it is just same as mass number. What is the mass number for sodium? It is 23. Then I say over relative molecular mass of relative molecular number of the whole compound, which is 106. I put 106 there. I multiply everything by 100%. What answer am I going to get there? So I'm going to have what? I'm going to have 46 over 106 times 100%. You say 46 times 100, you are going to get 4,600. Divide it by 106. The answer that you are going to get is 43.3%. So this is for what? This is for sodium. 2, I now calculate the percentage by mass. So percentage by mass of what? Of carbon. The next one is carbon of carbon. So what am I going to do? Carbon, how many atoms are there? Only 1. So I say 1 times mass number, relative atomic mass or relative atomic number. It is just the same as mass number. So what is the mass number of that carbon? It is 12 over what? 106. Then you multiply it by 100%, since you want to find the percentage. So there, what we are going to come up with, it will be something like 12 over 106 multiplied by 100%. What answer are you getting there? What answer are you going to get? So the answer, when we multiply everything, the answer we are getting is 11.3%. This is for what? This is for carbon. So this one is for carbon, is as simple as that. We now move on to the last one. So we move to the last one. Percentage by what? Percentage by mass of what? Oxygen. Oxygen, we've got how many atoms of oxygen? 3 of them. So we say 3 times mass number is 16 over what? Over 106. We are putting 106 on everything times 100%. So what answer are you going to get? The year you are going to get 48. 48 over 106 times 100%. The answer, finally, you are going to have an answer which will be 45.3. Then you just say percent. So you can kindly confirm these answers with me. So kindly confirm all the answers. You confirm these answers. So this is what you are supposed to do. These are certain things that you need to understand. This is percentage by mass of an element in a compound. So a questions in an exam, they will just tell you to say find the percentage by mass of sodium. So you just need to end there. If they say carbon, it can come in any, they can give you magnesium sulfate, then they tell you to calculate the percentage by mass of maybe magnesium. So you need to answer questions just like that. So this is where we end from. I guess you've learned 1 or 2 things. Those of you that wants to join me for tuitions, I get to help you at an affordable fee. You can WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So just drop a text here. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. So this is my WhatsApp number. You just drop a text on WhatsApp. And don't forget, I've got a wonderful Facebook page, and I want you people to follow me. I've just opened, so you can follow me on Facebook. This is the name that I get to use. If you're watching this on YouTube and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do so. And if you've not followed me on Facebook, you can do it just now. So this is my name, Harrison J. Zulu Tutor. You can follow me even on Facebook. So if you are starting tuitions, this is the number to text on WhatsApp. Even as you start, don't forget to follow me on Facebook. So this is where we are going to end from. I guess you've learned 1 or 2 things from all the calculations that we are just from doing. This is a wonderful question, and we keep upgrading. So I guess you've seen how I've answered this question. So these ones, we are supposed to understand them, know how to go about them. These are major things or major stuff that needs to be known. Thank you so much.